turn on the power supply. Turn on power supply here. Check here. Turn on the power here. Check the input, output. Make sure input follow your real input. Output is 380. Then the power supply with stabilizer is ready. Now the power supply have provided the power to the system. Can open the system door. Turn on the power supply for the system. Now the system already got the power supply. The system start to auto checking. If there is no problem, system will enter for start the sending. When the system finish auto checking, open the door. This is the main page. If you want to send temperature, you can send temperature here, or can go parameter setting. Then send your temperature here. If you use 120 and send with 120. This temperature range is dependent on your accuracy required, and for protection of your system, recently we send is 5. We will go to the accuracy plus minus 2 degree. If you don't need high accuracy, you want to protect your system, you can send it higher than 8. Then we will go to minus plus 4 degree. If you send 10, we'll go to minus plus 10 degree. Then after you finish sending, you can return. Then you start device. Now the system has started heating, and also the pump start to work. Then the sending temperature and the outlet temperature will display here. You will go to the monitor from here. And also the cooling water can reading temperature start from here, and heating tube temperature monitored here. When you plan to stop the system, you can stop heat first. Heat stop. Then the heat will stop. You will be waiting for the temperature cooling down to 80 below 8 degrees centigrade. Then only stop the device. That's all for this system. The flow control is control manually, not control as your digital control. So you cannot send flow control here. The flow will control based on this valve. This is a bypass valve. Bypass valve, if you fully close as recently, then all the flow will go into the system. The design flow rate is 25 liters per minute. If you think that is too fast for you, you can open slightly here. You can see here to open. Then there's got some liquid will do internal flow by the side pass. Then the flow to the reactor will be decreased. If you would like to monitor the flow, you can install a flow meter on the V, but the flow meter cannot be used for controller. You can upgrade with digital flow meter control display in future if you are interested. But if you only control the temperature, you can manually open and close to control the flow, dependent on your reactor size and your heating efficiency requirement. For this tube, after heat, it will be hot. So later we will give you some thermoresistant material you can cover as your column. Will be same material provided to you. You can cover to protect the operator.